Hi guys, hi, this is me. My name is Brooke, and so we're going to be doing problem 3 from today's homework, which is homework 1 for EL 6303. So we have the problem, reads digital signal, 1 or 0 is transmitted through a noisy channel. The received data may be different from the signal sent out. Suppose the transmitter sends out 0 with probability 0.6 and 1 with probability 0.4. So let's see what we have. We have the let's see if this gets this right. Oh, there we go. We have transmitter, probability of 0 is 0.6. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. And 0.4. Then we have a receiver that, suppose a transmitter. When 0 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with a probability of 0.7 and 1 with a probability of 0.3. And when 1 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with probability 0.2 and 1 with probability 0.8. So let's do this. Receiver. Zero. Sorry, I know this video's. I'll get better at this next time. Given 0 was 0.7. 1, 0 was 0.3. Of getting a 0 when 1 was sent, 0.2, and probability of 1, sorry guys, 1 equals 0.8. So the first problem is find the probability that data 0 is received. So if we're looking at the probability that 0 is received, this is the first question. We are saying that, alright, so we're only looking at zeros being received, which in essence means these two right here, this one and this one here. And so those are situations given that 0 or 1 was sent. So of course, let's say 0 was sent, so the probability of 0 being sent by the transmitter, which is here, is 0.6. So with a 0 being sent, we have and a 0 being received, since that's what we're interested in, we have a 0.7 probability. So 0.7. Now we also have to consider we have 0 being received again, but it was 1 that was being transmitted. So the probability of 1 being transmitted is 0.4 and 0.2. Which we then get is 0.5 once you do all the calculations. So the probability that a 0 is received is 0.5, and that's taking into account whether a 1 or a 0 was originally transmitted. So now onto the second problem, which is find the probability of error. Sorry if you can see this. That 1 is received when 0 is transmitted, or 0 is received when 1 is transmitted. Very simple from what we were doing earlier. We have, in this case, so again, we say that, say 0 was originally transmitted. So 0.6, and we have an error, so we're in essence receiving a 1, so that would be this guy right here, which is 0.3, given that 0 was transmitted. Whoopsie, sorry guys. And another error, which is we sent a 1, which our probability was 0.4, but we received a 0 instead, which is this guy, so 0.2, which ends up coming out to be 0.26. Sorry. So that is the probability of error. Thanks, guys.